everyone, welcome to Keeping Up with Linda. Today's video is about how I make my homemade sausages. I'll be making two types of sausages. They're both pork, and one of them is going to be a sweet leek sausage and the other one is going to be a medium onion garlic sausage. I like to season my sausages overnight and then fill them up the next day. So I'm having a special guest tomorrow to help me fill out the sausages because this is a job that you can't possibly do it alone. So my sister Cila will be joining me tomorrow morning. Let's start. So for the leek ones, I'm just going to use a whole bunch of leeks. I'm going to slice them, wash them up, and then fry them. Yeah, just about like that. Last one. And now for the onion and garlic one, I'm going to use 3 large onions. I like to use lots of onion, but obviously it also depends on how much meat you have. I have quite a bit. We've got So try to chop it up as thin as you can, and that's it. But don't worry too much. If it's thick, it'll be all right. And now the garlic. So it's really up to you how much onions or garlic you want to put in your sausage. I'm not giving you any measurements because I'm just going to do it to taste. And that's what you can do. Just showing you the ingredients, and I normally try mine before I fill them up. So I make a little hamburger and I try it, and if it's to my liking, that's it, I fill it up. Alright, so same thing with the garlic. Chop, 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 and it's ready. Now let's get the rest of the stuff. So this is looking beautiful. I'm using pork shoulder. They call it picnic. And I asked my butcher for extra fat because it gives your sausages that extra moisture that you need. And it makes them a lot tastier. So these are the garlic and onion sausages. In it goes. It smells good already. Paprika, just sweet paprika. And like I said, there's no measurements. I'm just using as much as I feel that I should use. And then tomorrow morning, I'll taste them. Some black pepper. Oh yeah, and these were the crushed chilies. And the salt. And now I need to give it a good mix here. So it looks like it needs a little bit more paprika because I like a little bit of color, and I think a little bit more of the crushed chilies. All of it, why not? I did say medium for this, right? Okay, medium, that's it. It's looking good, smelling good already. Black pepper, and that's it. Another good mix, and it's gonna be good to go in the fridge until tomorrow morning. So I'm mixing my meat quite a bit because I want to make sure that all the meat is covered in seasoning. And sometimes here on the sides there might be meat that didn't get any seasoning. And you want to make sure that everything's covered and nicely infused together, and that way all the flavors are everywhere, and it'll be fantastic. Punch, 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 punch. So now I'm transferring all this meat into this smaller bowl to fit in the fridge, because it's gonna have to sit there overnight. And tomorrow it's showtime. Awesome. So the leeks, I just washed them nicely and I strained them, and now I'm gonna fry them up a little bit in a little bit of oil, and then I'm gonna add these to the meat. Leeks makes sausages very, very tasty. So I'm just gonna fry them up a little bit. Not too much. So when the leeks get to this consistency, soft like that, you're pretty much done. Alright, so now we're gonna strain it a little bit, because the leeks tend to have quite a bit of water. So we strain it, see that? I know it's a process, but it's worth it. It's really good. Looks good enough to drink. So the leeks are still too hot. We don't want to add the leeks to the meat while they're still that hot. So in the meantime, I'm going to put the black pepper and salt while the leeks cool off. I'm going to give it a good mix as well. So for these ones, very basic. Meat, salt, black pepper, leeks. That's it. They're still warm, but warm is okay. Smells good. Alright, so same procedure. Mix, mix, mix. I feel like this could take a little bit more of the black pepper. So I'm going to put a little bit more. Alright. It's looking really beautiful and ready to go in the fridge, covered. And tomorrow it'll go in the casings. Yay! Good morning. It is the next day, and I'm gonna try the meat to see if the seasoning is right for my sausages. This looks really good, so I'm just gonna make 2 little patties and put them on the frying pan to try. This one is the onion and garlic sausage. Delicious. A bit spicy, just enough, just like I like it. It doesn't need anything, it's perfect. And now, the leek one. Amazing. I don't know which one is my favorite. The leeks are sweet. Amazing. Really, really good. Yummy. So they're both really tasty. There's no need to add anything else. But if there was, this would be the moment to do so. And now I'm gonna deal with the casing. So the casing comes salted. So we gotta run some water through it because it's salted, right? So that's what I'm gonna do next. This is a bundle of casings, and I don't know how many I'm gonna need, so I'm just gonna wash a few, and then if I need more, I come to get more. And normally they're very, very long, so I might as well do it here. Just need to start pulling somewhere. They could be really long. And then when it doesn't come no more, you can cut it. That's it. So there's one. Two. One is ready. That's it. So I have this sausage filling machine. It's a heavy duty one, but it's something that you cannot do alone. That's why I needed more hands. So I'm here with Cila. Hello, Cila.
Hello.
That's my mana Cila, and she's gonna help me out. So it's our first time using this machine. Let's see. Right, Cila?
That's good, that's good.
Oh yeah, like that. Ok. Vai. Segura aí, que eu tenho que enfiar aqui, cara.
Isto é engraçado. Por duas
Ok,
vezes.
so, bora. Put it down. Like that. Good?
Acho que enfiou. Pois, senão vai ter não sei onde.
Okay, good, good. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Devagarinho. Acho que já está a sair qualquer coisa. Uau!
Go, go. No, slower, slower.
Ah, sim.
Yeah. Go.
Isto tem que ser mesmo devagar.
Yeah. Wow.
Isto é possível fazer depressa, não dá? Não posso? Não podes?
Olha aqui que maravilha.
A media
Então é muito torcidas, não sei o que é que se passa. Pode ser que a próxima fique melhor.
Pois fica. Também isto é...
It's a
acho que não tem mais carne.
Practice run. Não tem mais carne. Ok.
Sei lá.
So we don't have a lot of practice using this sausage filler machine, but it's working. Much faster than by hand, that's for sure. Nós temos a encher o panhão. Ok, paquerem, paquerem. Ok. Depois põe as orelhitas. That's it.
Devagarinho.
Ok. All right, it's looking good. So these ones are ready. They're the garlic and onion ones. What I need to do is size them up and cut them up, and that's it for this. And now we're gonna work on this one, the leek one. She likes to do this part. That's her favorite part.
Esta acho que leva tudo de uma vez.
Nice, eh?
Essa presta a ficar melhor. É para ser no final. No final que ela está.
So, por fim a gente já tem mais prática. Wow,
Também é começar.
so pretty.
Olha que lindo.
Right?
Olha, parece uma flor.
So beautiful. That's how you do it. No more?
Agora que eu já estou treinada, acabou-se. Não é?
Very nice.
Nice job, huh?
Yeah, nice job. So now the size is really up to you. I'm gonna make them about this size.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, very good.
That's
Nice,
long.
very good.
That's big, no? I think the regular size is about this, no?
And I feel okay.
Yeah. So, twist, twist. Cut. Done.
Perfect. Easy.
Easy. Oh, it's big
Oh,
again. Oh my goodness.
Again.
If it's for your own consumption, you make them the size you want. Wow. No tying required, nothing, just like that.
Ah, bonitas.
Right?
Yeah, very nice.
These are the Leek sausages and they look beautiful. All right, so let's work on these ones now. I'm really happy how they turned out, eh? But yeah, definitely this is not something for you to do alone. You need some help. Whoa!
Oh.
Too big. Okay, let's try and make them a bit smaller. That's a good size. Eh?
On this size, okay. No?
Still big, still big. Yeah? It's even bigger.
Funny.
You know what? That's my size. That's it. Looking good. And we're done. Very nice. It looks like I made enough sausages for my family to enjoy throughout the summer. So we're done. It was really good to have my sister's help. Thank you very much for
You're
your
welcome.
help.
You're welcome.
And we have to do it again because we had fun, right?
Yes.
It was nice.
Nice. I like.
Oh, enjoyed it.
I enjoy it.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much. Thanks
You're
for your
welcome.
help.
Esta
And
coisa.
don't worry, I gave you a couple of sausages for your lunch. So this is it, guys, for sausage making. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I'll be enjoying the sausages, that's for sure. And please subscribe, share, like, and don't forget to keep up with Linda. Ciao!